All right. Hi, guys. Happy Thursday. Sorry, I'm not here today. Okay. But our agenda is we're going to start talking about text features. Okay. And then we're going to do an online scavenger hunt for those. So your objective is I can identify text features in a nonfiction text and explain why they are important. So we've done text structures. Now we're going to do text features. All right. So on your Pear Deck today, this is a Pear Deck, so you'll have to do that. I'm going to ask you, how many of these do you know? Look at the list and highlight the ones you know. So you've got subheadings, diagram, photographs, captions, maps, bold print, index, glossary, table of contents, and the word nonfiction. So any of those that you understand or that you know, that you've heard of, highlight those on your slide, okay? And then what do these do? What is their purpose? So pick one that you highlighted, and on this next slide, describe what it is. So if you know what index is, and you know anything about the index, maybe where it's located, what its purpose is, type it. Okay, or photographs. Think about when they're in a text. What do they do? Okay. On this next slide, I want you to drag the icons. Okay, you'll have over here, these will come up, subheading, caption, glossary, photo, and heading, and then you'll have, and then you'll have your colored dots that go. You'll have a red dot, a green dot, a blue, like a light blue, a dark blue, and a yellow dot. And I want you to drag those over. So the red dot, find where the subheading is, and they'll be over here. So whatever box you think goes with it, drag that red dot. So if you think this is a subheading right here, drag the red dot to this box. Okay, so there's only 5. There's definitely more boxes than the options that I gave you, but try to find these 5 over here and drag the dot. All right. And then there are other text features in nonfiction that we didn't talk about here at the beginning, like table of contents, and it tells you what it is and gives you an example. Index, when you label something, the graph, a map, a diagram, an illustration. Okay, so take a second and look through these when in the slide, like kind of familiarize yourself with those. All right, and then you're going to do today, and text feature is spelled wrong. I just realized that, so I will change it before you actually get the slide. Text feature scavenger hunt, okay? The next few slides will explain how to do the scavenger hunt, but basically, you're going to either open your science textbook, okay, because that's a nonfiction textbook, or I have an example magazine for you to open, and you're going to have to find some of these text features within those, okay? So here's an example. Let's say you're looking at this amazing human body book, okay? So the book title is The Amazing Human Body, and the page number where you found the title page. So the title page, this is what you're looking for, right up here, the title page. Okay, so if you find a title page, let's say you're in a book, a nonfiction book, or you're in your science book, what is the title page? And it says insert picture here. So you're going to snip a copy, and the next slide shows you how to snip. Okay, sorry, shows you how to snip. So you're going to snip whatever this says. So this is title page. You're going to snip the title page and put the picture here. You're going to put what book title you're using or magazine title, where you found it, and then this part. Why is the text feature important? How does it help us understand the text more? So the title page is important because it helps the reader know what they will be reading about and who wrote or illustrated the information. It helps the reader understand the material they will be reading. So that's the example of a title page. Okay. It says, watch this short tutorial on how to snip pictures from your book and include them in your slideshow for examples of each text feature. The 3 buttons are the control, the shift, and then this button up here, the monitor, the thing with the square with the 2 lines, that helps you snip. But when you go through the slides today, you can click on this YouTube link and it'll show you how to snip so you can find things within your you can find things to put in your text feature scavenger hunt. Okay, so now you need to go to after you go through today's slides, today's Pear Deck, you have to go to the next part of the module and open up the scavenger hunt, and you only need to complete 5 of them. Okay, there's going to be it's a long slideshow. You only have to find 5 things in whatever source that you choose. Okay, so after the Pear Deck today, you'll go to the next part of the module, to the scavenger hunt, to do that. And there'll be a video at the scavenger hunt as well.